Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Game Pass Ultimate subscription and signing into the same Microsoft account. Next, open Xbox. Com/play or the Xbox Cloud gaming app on your device. This places you in the streaming lobby. Once done, choose a title you want to stream and tap play. Do not worry about controllers yet. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your phone or PC is on the same high-quality network. This prepares the device for touch or keyboard control mapping. You now implement control mapping so you can play without a physical controller. On mobile, enable the on-screen controller overlay from settings and customize button placement. This is fastest. On PC, open the browser's keyboard control options or run a mapping tool like ReWASD to bind keys to controller inputs. Once mapped, test actions in a low-pressure game scene. Make small adjustments to sensitivity and dead zones so aiming and movement feel natural. This reduces frustration during action. You're at the final steps. Launch the game, verify your custom controls, and set streaming quality to balance visuals with latency. If you notice lag, first close other apps and switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. Lower the stream quality if needed. Once done, save your control profile so you don't remap each session. Troubleshooting tip: if inputs still stutter, restart the app and your device. This clears temporary Bluetooth or network glitches and usually resolves control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.